We have the hair tie bag. We are ready. We're talking about the Avène products. You know I love a good gel cleanser and a great moisturizer and a great SPF 30. Three-step process, great products for all skin. Yes, for brown skin, it works. Yes, for oily skin, and yes, for acne-prone skin. We're going to jump right in. I want you to remember, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm simply bringing these products to you as a person that has acne prone skin. I have gone through a bunch of products and spent a lot of money, so I'm going to save you time. I'm using the Avène Cleanance line, the cleanser for the skin. I use it in the AM and the PM. Right when I wake up, put this stuff on my face, lather it up, use just a little because a little goes a long way. And this is the best cleanser ever, right? I've been using this stuff for about a year. It works very well for oily skin and it keeps my skin nice and moisturized. So after I use the cleanser in the morning and evening, I put on a nice moisturizer. I can't rave more about it. It's the Hydrate gel. It is by far the best thing ever. This is very lightweight. You only need a little, and because it costs so much, you only have to use a small amount, so it lasts quite a bit. And then the third thing I would suggest is this SPF 30. You know, we all need some type of sunscreen. Yes, even brown skin, we all need sunscreen. So make sure you are following up with a light little coat of the SPF 30 in the Cleanance line. I love it. It's the Avène Cleanance Gel. Then you want to follow it up with the Avène Hydrants Aqua Gel. And then you want to do a nice light coat of the Cleanance SPF 30. Go get it. Yeah, it's expensive, but isn't your face expensive? Isn't it worth it? So I'm not getting paid for this. I just want you to know that there are great products out there for brown skin and all skin, but especially brown skin. Acne prone skin, go run out and grab you some.